So here in Colombia, most of the dogs are actually very, very well taken care of. Even the street dogs are very well fed. But we did find a little guy who's not doing very well. He's probably on the verge of death. It looks like he's got some really bad infection in his elbows. I'm gonna show you, not for the faint of heart. But yeah, so this is him. Sweet boy, and he's got like some pretty bad stuff going on, and his teeth are in pretty bad shape. It looks like somebody tried to bandage him. So we've been giving him food and water. We kind of have to pour the water down his throat. And we're gonna end up taking him to the vet just to have him put down. All right, little man, we gotta go for a ride, okay? So, it's okay. It's okay, baby.
¿Ah? No se para, camina como borracho. No camina así como...
No, sí. Okay, okay. Gracias. It's okay, baby. You're finally gonna be okay, okay? I'm so sorry you had to suffer for so long.